Hi,
Hi, Ann.
how goes the turkey?
Pretty good, I think. I have almost everything I need.
Hey, needs anything for you?
Well, actually, okay, so I have a Coke. I just need you to grab some Mentos. So, the thing is, I saw this video from YouTube. It looks so good.
No.
What? It's just gonna give it a little bit of flavor.
I'm not buying it.
It's a great idea. Come on, hun.
No.
Fine, fine. I'll think of something else. Okay, put those in there. Looks good.
Hi,
Some more salt. Hey, honey. Now make sure you don't eat too much. Peanuts, you know I'm gonna need a lot for this. What did I just tell you? Okay, go. Get out of my kitchen. Okay, go. God, I'm always doing that. Okay. There we go. Maybe I'll get more of these. Hey, honey. Can you grab me some pepper? Where'd the pepper go?
You want me to go to the store?
Yeah, well, I don't know. Did you check around first? Did you see if we had some in there?
I don't see any.
Oh, okay. Can you go to the store for me?
Have you seen my car key?
No. Are you always losing it? Oh, wait. Did you say keys? You didn't mean like this key, right?
That would be the key.
This key? Sorry, hun. It's about 7 hours. Just gonna start putting it in.
7 hours?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go order a pizza.
A pizza? Really? I'm almost done. Okay, you're right. You're right. Order me a pepperoni.
A few moments later.
Honey, did you see my wallet? I've looked everywhere.
No, I don't know. It's almost done though.
I've looked everywhere except
Except where? Where haven't you looked?
bed.
What?
Seriously? How you put my wallet in the turkey?
I don't know.
Again?
Ugh. My bad. It won't happen again. Okay, now it's officially gonna go in.
Why is the turkey not in the oven yet?
I was just about to. Okay, just one last look. Yeah, it's gone.
I keep hearing the dog barking, but I can't find her. Please tell me you didn't put her in the turkey too?
I'm sure I did. I'm pretty sure that I didn't do that. If you find her...
I'm taking the dog out of here before you put her in the turkey too.
Oh, come on. What did I didn't even do anything. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. And we'd love to hear about what amazing ways you cook a turkey. So make sure to put that in the comments below. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, watch for new videos every
Thursday.
Ow! Dang it. Okay guys, make sure to have a great day. Comment Queen out. Bye!